She's magnificent, absolutely magnificent. The patina is incredible. We can definitely work with this. Let's start the assessment. We understand this truck means a lot to you, sir. We want to restore it properly, keep the history alive. Our offer is fair, and we promise it'll be in good hands.
Ramps are secure.
I've got the hook set on the chassis.
Chains taut. Ready when you are.
Little to the right. Looks good back here. All right, she's almost up. Coming down slowly, watch the clearance.
Clear on the right. Keep it steady.
Rear tires are touching down now.
All right, keep the strokes slow and deliberate. Make sure to catch all the loose debris before we move to the pressure wash.
A little lower, you're missing the thickest part by the fuel tank. Got it. Hitting that rust scale now. Wall behind the rust.
We'll need the vacuum ready for the floor next.
Keep pushing it toward the sill.
It's almost clear now.
This mat weighs a ton, I'm taking it out. All right, the bolts are clear, let's lift it straight up. Okay, I got the weight, ready? Set it right here, gently. All right, the bolts are clear on this side.
Okay, let's take the weight. Ready, lift.
Steady now, easy up. See how the gaskets have just decomposed into the block here?
Yes,
Yeah.
and the wiring harness is completely shot on this side.
Yeah. We're looking at a full teardown. Okay, this one is really seized. Be ready to catch it when it breaks free.
Got it. Moving to the rear bolt now.
Okay, the passenger side is secure.
Driver side is hooked and locked.
Tension looks good, ready to lift. All right, lowering it slowly now. Perfect, hold it there. Got the first bolt in, steady, steady. That's solid. Look at the state of these rocker arms, completely caked in sludge. We'll need to soak these overnight. This is heavy carbonization.
The rust goes deep right here.
Yeah, I'm getting the next set of discs ready for you now. All right, the U-bolts are free. We can pull the spring now.
Noted. I'll get the new ones ready.
Okay, gentle taps now.
Holding steady.
Alignment looks good down here. Careful with the main power feed, route it away from the brake linkage.
Copy that.
Coming through clear. That's a clean spread, very uniform.
Thank you, making sure the low spots are filled.
Keep the pressure steady on the brush there.
Okay. How does this section look now?
That's good. Almost ready for the polish.
Hold it steady, I'm starting the thread now.
Okay, it feels secure. Just a few more turns.
This chrome is flawless.
Look at that reflection, it's absolutely perfect.
The depth is stunning.
Steady, keep it coming down.
Guide it right here. Perfect.
Okay, it's seated. All right, easy now. Align the tabs.
Got the left side seated.
Right side clip is in.
Yeah.
Okay, press it home. Hold it steady, we're almost aligned.
I've got the bolts started underneath.
Looks good from here. Steady pressure on the housing.
Applying the torque now. Perfect fit.
Hold it steady right there.
It's secure. Moving to the next one.
We're almost done with the passenger side. All right, team, last pass. Let's make this chrome shine.
Mirror finish on the black.
The clear coat is flawless. After days of restoration, the truck looked brand new again.
Subscribe for more satisfying restorations.